Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the View 3. Today we are going to use the Pinia in the View 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Pinia is the recommended state management library for the View 3, offering the simpler API and the better TypeScript support comparing to the Vuex. It's lightweight, modular and has a great developer experience. Let's install this package first. So here we go with this one. Install this. Okay, after this installation, set up the pinia in your main file. Okay, so you have to go with the create pinia. So here we go with this one, and let's use this like this. Okay, this is done. Let's move to the next. To create a pinia store, make a file in the stores directory. Source stores, let's create that one. So source, let's create a new folder with stores, and here we are going to use the counter.js file. Okay, so let's create this. Okay, now this is the file that we have to add over there. Okay, so this is a state management library, right? What we have: state holds reactive properties for the store, getters computed properties based on the state, actions functions that can update the state, and contains the business logics. Okay, using a store in a component, you can use the store in any component by importing it and calling the store function. Pinia is reactive, so it will update the UI automatically when the store state changes. Okay, so this is the component. Okay, so here we go with, this is our component. Let's use this one. So here we go with the app.view. Let's use this and save this, and let's see npm run dev, it's working or not. So let's open this. Failed to resolve this stores. Let's have a look. It's not there, so let's add this. Okay, let's add this stores, then counter. Okay, let's have a look. Now you can see increment, reset. So you can see double the count, right? So it's how, this is how the state management library working. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. So let's have a look on that. So dev count counter store dot count. Okay, double count counter store dot double count. When there is a double there, when there is a click on the increment, added click, counter store dot increment will call, and when I click on the reset, counter store that reset will call. Okay, create a reference for the store with the help of counter store, use counter store, right? So with the help of this, I'm going to use the count, double count, and then increment and the reset. If I go to the counter.js file, here you can see that we have a by default state that is 0. Count is 0. Then we have a getters, like how to get that value. So we have a double count, which is multiplied with the state count into 2. Then we have a actions, that is increment and the reset. So increment always incremented by the 1, and the reset will make the count to be 0. Okay, and this wanna be import over there, right? Stores counter.js. Okay, so this is the flow. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.